Moving on to Nepal, where the group of Sherpas that became the first team ever to climb K2, the second highest peak in winters, received heroes' welcome on their return to home. The 10-man team climbed 8,611-meter K2 peak on 16th of this month. The K2 peak was climbed for the first time in 1954 and saw 6 winter attempts before this one, all ending in failure.
This group of men receiving cheers upon its landing at the Kathmandu airport has scripted history. They are climbers who have made the first successful winter summit of K2, the world's second tallest peak that turns deadly in winters owing to its treacherous and steep terrain. Fans and family who were edgy along their expedition placed colorful Buddhist prayer scarves on the climbers' shoulders on their arrival. They call them heroes. And heroes they are, for they are the first in many others who tried ascending K2 but failed. Some even lost their lives. Nirmal Purja, a famous mountaineer and the climbing leader of the Sherpa group, attributed their success to team spirit and a resolve to raise their country's pride.
As a team, we feel really proud, we feel really honored, and I think we send a really clear message to the world. If you unite, nothing is impossible. So everybody's happy here, and thank you so much for all the press and all our friends for being here today this morning. Thank you so much.
Their success was marred by the death on the mountain of renowned Spanish climber Sergi Minguet, who fell down a crevasse as he attempted to make his way down to base camp. From Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli to the common citizens of the country, everybody congratulated the team for making their country proud. The mountain was first climbed in 1954 but had never been summited in the winter. The Sherpas, people belonging to a Nepalese ethnicity, however, were confident of making it this time. Earlier, the climbing leader Nirmal Purja, who holds the record of climbing the world's 14 highest mountains in the shortest time of 6 months and 1 week, said the K2 ascent was a huge achievement for all climbers to celebrate.
In bigger mission like this, if you are not confident, then who's gonna be? And then if you are not confident, why you are there? And as long as you believe here and you believe in your chest, just go for it. And this is a simple message in life. There are so many things. And this is like K2 winter, but this is not about climbing K2 winter. In all your life, we all have our own mountain to climb. As long as you believe in yourself, and then you give it from your here and here, everything is possible.
Nepal, commonly known as the Himalayan nation, homes some of the tallest peaks in the world. The Nepal-Tibet border roughly follows the line of the highest part of the range of the Great Himalayas, featuring several of the world's highest peaks. From Mount Everest to Kanchenjunga to Annapurna, these permanently snow-capped mountains overlook huge glaciers. Thousands of climbers land in Nepal from across the world to make their ascent bits. While many fail, there are few who inscribe their initials at the highest point on Earth.